Hey guys, today let's learn how to record our screens using the snipping tool on Windows 11. So if you guys are wondering how to use the snipping tool in order for us to record our screens on Windows 11, in this video tutorial I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to do this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so what we need to do first is to go ahead and basically launch the snipping tool. Now as we do know, we could easily launch the snipping tool by tapping on Windows Shift plus S, but this is not necessarily the what we want to do, because this does not give us the option to record our screens. Now I want you to go ahead and search for the snipping tool on your Windows search and launch the application through there. Now here we have the option to choose the record option, and this is going to allow us to record our screen. So just tap on new, and now you can select either your whole screen or just a snippet of your screen depending on what you drag and drop using this tool. But essentially whatever you do like this is basically scan and drag and drop on your screens. That is the playing field that will be recorded on your recording. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and select my whole screen, and basically I could now tap on the start button if I'm ready. I could also go ahead and resize this depending on how I like it and use that selection to be recorded on using the snipping tool. So just tap on start once you're ready, and that's how you guys could record your screens using the snipping tool. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.